na casa. Fizemos time pra cá.
Let me talk to her. Let it rain. Let me talk to her. Come on. Shawty got the apple bottom jeans.